Now that we know the basics of the library catalog, let's learn some advanced searching tips and tricks. In this video, we will learn how to do a subject search to find lots of books on a single topic. We'll also learn how to search for a specific format, like movies, and we will learn how to tell the difference between different types of formats for the same book. Let's go! To start, take a look at the green catalog box on the right side of the library homepage. Instead of searching directly in this box, though, we need to look for the Advanced Search link. This link is near the bottom of the box. When we click on this link, it takes us to a search page that has a lot more options. We can search by author and title, like we could from the green box, but we can also search by name, series, and subject. Doing a subject search can be really helpful if you have a school project to research, or even if you are just interested in learning about a specific topic. For instance, it might be helpful to find all the books about soldiers in the Civil War for a research paper, or all of the kids' cookbooks if you're interested in starting up a new hobby. Subject searching can help you do that. Let's pretend we're looking for books on soldiers in the Civil War for a research project for school. In the subject field, I'm going to type in Civil War. Since we need books that we can use for a school report, it would be a good idea to limit by collection. Limiting by collection lets us determine the age group and the type of materials that we're going to get. So we need to limit our search to youth nonfiction. Now that I've selected my collection, I can click the red arrow button to start my search. Wow, we got 103 search results using the search term Civil War. That's a lot of books to look through, and not all of them will be helpful for our research project. Let's go back to the search page and see if we can limit further. Since we want to learn about soldiers during the Civil War, we should add the word soldiers to our subject search. But we need to add in a special version of the word and to connect our two search terms. If you add a capitalized and between your two search terms, the catalog will know to search for books that are both about the Civil War and soldiers. Youth nonfiction is still selected, it's in gray now, so we can click the red button and see our next search. This looks a lot better. We have 8 books here that match our search terms. Let's look at one of these records. In the subject section, we can see that the words highlighted in yellow match our search terms, Civil War and soldiers. That's how the catalog knew to find this book for us. If we scroll down to the holding information, we can see the call number. You can use this number when you go into the Whitaker Road branch to find this book on the shelf. Let's go back to the advanced search page to see what else we can do. You can always get back to that advanced search page by clicking the advanced link at the top of the catalog. Let's see how to find certain formats like movies. We can find movies by adding the word video recording after the name of the movie. Let's look for movie versions of Alice in Wonderland. We need to type Alice in Wonderland into the title field because that's the title of the movie, and then follow it by the word video recording. Now I can click the red button and see the search results. And we have 8 movie versions of Alice in Wonderland at the library. We can see that these are all the movie versions because they have the word video recording in brackets after the title. Advanced search will also help us find books that have really common words in their titles. Let's go back to that search page. When we search by title for the book Wonder by R.J. Palacio, we are going to get a ton of search results and none of them are our book. That's because the word wonder is a really common word. The word wonder is in the titles of 552 books at the library. But none of these are the book we are looking for, the book by R.J. Palacio. If we back up to the search page, we can find just our book. We do that by typing in the author's last name into the author field. This tells the catalog to only search for books that have the word wonder in the title and that are also written by R.J. Palacio. That looks a lot better. There's our book. This is a good example of the different formats of the books we have available here. This first book is the regular print edition. The second search result is an ebook. We know that because it says electronic resource in brackets after the title, just like all of the Alice in Wonderland movies said video recording in brackets after the title. The third search result is a large print edition, and the fourth result is a sound recording, which usually means book on CD. Play around with advanced search and see what else you can do. If you have more questions, stop by the reference desk and talk to a librarian. We know lots of tips and tricks to using the catalog and love to share them with you. Thanks for watching!